how to write a sentence for kids. Welcome to Miss Dorismond's Virtual Corner. Today, we will learn how to write a complete sentence. A sentence is a set of words that express a complete thought. The books we read are made up of lots of sentences. They can convey a statement, question, exclamation, or command. A complete sentence is made up of 4 parts: a capital letter, a subject, a verb, and a punctuation mark. A capital letter is also known as an uppercase letter. It is larger and usually formed differently than a lowercase letter. We use capital letters at the beginning of nouns, which are people, places, and things. A subject is the person, place, or thing that is doing or being. It is sometimes called the naming part of a sentence. Examples of subjects we can find in a sentence are girl, house, and toy. A verb is an action word. It is sometimes called the doing part of a sentence. Examples of verbs in a sentence are jump, run, have, and feel. Punctuation marks are symbols that are used in a sentence. Examples of punctuation marks are periods, question marks, exclamation marks, quotation marks, and commas. Let's take a look at an example of a sentence. The girl runs. Here we have a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. The word girl is the subject in this sentence. The word runs is the verb in this sentence. At the end of the sentence is a period, which is the punctuation. Let's practice. Here you have a set of words. Can you put them in the right order so we can have a complete sentence? You can use this checklist to help you put this sentence together. You have 10 seconds. Go! All right, let's take a look at our checklist. The first part of the sentence should be a capital letter. Which word has a capital letter? The word the starts with a capital letter. I will write that word at the beginning of my sentence. What about the subject? Well, a subject is a person, place, or thing. What word is a thing? Aha! A dog is a thing. I will write that word next. What about the verb? Well, a verb is an action word. Oh, the word barked is an action word. I will write that word next. What about punctuation? A period is a symbol we use as punctuation. I will write that as the last part of my sentence. All right! Now you know how to write a complete sentence. Would you like to learn more? Well, be sure to watch my playlist, Writing for Kids, where you can learn how to use different writing skills. If you like this video, then check out Miss Dorismond's Virtual Corner for even more. If you are a teacher, you can follow Miss Dorismond's Virtual Corner on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and TPT. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.